Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a multifunctional monitor stand. I'm going to give you guys a peek at what this is here. Let's open this up and I'll show you. Here's the instructions. It looks like it has a little bit of assembly that it might require here. I'll put that there. Let's see, what do we got here? These are some pieces and parts for it for sure. This and this. I guess those are going to be some sides. Here's some thumb screws. Here is a plate. I guess it's going to be probably a shelf. And then here is the base unit. So let's move this out of the way here. Okay, so here we go. So we have the base, and it is a solid piece here. Very nice. So what we have to do is screw these onto here, here, and here. Well, we put one on first, so let's do it. Let's see, it says we're going through the instructions and we're doing it together. So let's see. So we have one screw here. It's nice, it comes with just thumb screws. There's no screwdriver needed for any of this. I guess there is here if you want to do whatever this is and move it back and forth. So then this one here, right? Gotta put this in here. This goes, I don't know if it goes up or down. Doesn't really say. There and there. Is that it? Okay, whatever. Oh, I did these backwards. I see what it is. Here, when we're looking at these, they have a input section and an output. So if you look at this, oh, well, this one's right. If you see, it's got this little groove, this little indent in here. And so that's what the shelf is going to go into. Can you all see what I'm doing here? I'll aim it down a little bit so you can see right there. See, so this will slide into that. I'll put it this way here. So there, it's slid into the little groove. And then this one here will slide into this groove here. There we go. And now we'll mount it down. So I'm going to make it a little bit looser. Oops. There. Okay. This one here. And then it looks like we've got our stand basically set up here at this point, but we can put these little rubber feet on these legs. Right, here's one. Here's one. Here's one. And there's one. Okay, so now we have a fully functional monitor stand. So what we can do is if we have different monitors, depending on the different brackets and stuff, I have one that clamps on, so it would clamp on there. But I'm just going to show you guys, well, yeah, this would be the front. So you can put the monitor on there. But I'm just going to show you with my laptop. So I will put my laptop on here. My monitor is over there, but it's on a different type of mount. But there we go. So we can use our stand, and then we have a shelf underneath it to put stuff on, and then we have a bottom shelf too. So then if our monitor is up here, we can run our wires down through here as well. So it's a really nice stand that's nice and heavyweight. So it's good. And if we wanted to adjust things here for the clip or whatever like that to hold things or whatever we need, it just says to do that. So it slides out a little bit and in, depending on what we need to do. And we are good. So that's it. So this was the instructions, and we assembled it all completely, and it looks nice. So I'll be putting this under the monitor that is in my other room that my kid is using right now. So thumbs up.